Market overview and portfolio breakdown, ladies and gentlemen. We're back in action. That's what's on the menu today. I think it's been 6, maybe 7 days since last time we gave you guys the overview and the breakdown of our position. So let's get this up to date. A couple of positions have been closed out. First was, let me show you the one that we just closed out. It didn't hit the target, but it was really close, right? And then when price action is getting that close to the target, we're just closing it out, right? So it was as close. Take a look how close it was, right? 578 where the target is 577. I just happened to catch that live. So obviously, what's the point fighting over a fraction of a point, right? So yeah, closed it out. It's not like I don't think it's gonna come back and solidify a touchdown. I definitely believe it will. But for us, it was a no-brainer closing out all of the trades we had on the Binance. All right, next one I want to talk about is Cardano. Take a look. We're starting to accumulate here because the downside potential, as you can see, is quite further away, right? The downside potential is big. Target is quite far away still. We think Cardano has the potential to chase those previous lows, especially the one from early February. So yeah, we're starting to accumulate. Just today, fired off the third trade. Stop loss level 0.80. We're aiming at 0.44. Happens to be Fibonacci projection 123.6, taking on the previous opposite move from bottom right here all the way to the top. All right. Next, Ripple. Take a look. Nosediving. That's great. We have two trades, big trades here, but yeah, we got a long way to go still. Similar to the Cardano. This is more like of a medium-term type of profit target for us with the Ripple. We're talking about 175. All right, let's see what that is. It's simply where the previous major low is, right? Remember this head and shoulders pattern. Like I always like to, cross that neckline. Obviously, I don't like the red though. We'll give it a different color. But it doesn't really matter. What matters is this head and shoulder is working well. Had been activated back in the day. Price action came back up to check up on that neckline from below. And now it's back on the downside big time. So yeah, 175, that's our target. Alright, so stay tuned for the Ripple. What else we have? We have the Bitcoin, of course. We nearly dodged that bullet. Yesterday came very close to trigger us out, to stop us out. Our stop loss level was at 90,000 flat. Highest high was 88,562. So yeah, it got really close. I wasn't gonna touch. I wasn't gonna, change my stop loss level. Once it's been set, it's hard as rock. I don't change stop loss level during an active position ever. So yeah, but we're back in business big time. We doubled up. We doubled up our position size. So I think there's a long way to go here still. Again, another medium-term type of target, similar to the Cardano, similar to the Ripple, not similar to the Chainlink, right? For example, where we have a short-term target over there. But here, we're talking about 73,500. There's a long way to go still. Let's take a look at this from the weekly perspective. Love that spike, that slicing spike right off 84,475 this week. Looking good for us here on the downside. And like I said, price action needs to park at the first big 38.2% Fibonacci correction. And that's only going to happen at 73,500. And then maybe more downside potential in the pipeline. I can't tell you at this point, right? We're going to have to get to 73,500 and then watch very closely to see how this is going to resolve You know, how price action is going to react to 73,500. It might start to penetrate even lower, and then we're going to start a new, you know, potentially it's going to start a new bearish campaign that's going to be everything from 73,500 down to 62,420, which happens to be the next big correction level, 50% Fibonacci, right? Yeah, I'm not going to talk about the chain link today because a full video, very detailed explanation about the situation on the chain link is in the Crypto Trade of the Day video. So go ahead and check it out if you haven't already. Last thing before we go, I want to talk about Bitcoin Cash. Because even though it's still an active position, we actually took profit, big profit here at 291.20. That was our official target. So we got rid of 80% of the position. We just left one in. One trade the last one, we kept it in. And yesterday we decided to double down. So we're starting to reinforce this position because we feel like it's going to 270. All right, so this is still an active position, but we did take quite a bit of profit here already. And we're still here with an open position. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it, right? 5 active positions for us right now in the market. Hope you enjoyed that video. Wishing you a great trading day. We're going to be back tomorrow, same time, same place. Take care.